I don't know where they're going. What the hell are they doing, like? Bees swarming. I'm not sure where they're going. I'm in the middle of this swarm. And they're just moving. They've just kind of moved from over there. Now they're moving over this way. Hopefully they'll just land somewhere handy. So I'll just follow them. What are you at, guys? Please land somewhere handy now. A lot of bees. Hello, cat. Hello, cat. Hello, cat. Where are you going, lads? Still following this swarm. So they started over there beyond the house. Now they're over here. They just fucking land somewhere. That looks like a nice little kind of area. They'd go in that fuchsia or something. But will they? No, they'll probably keep going. Right, they're over at this old house now. Still not sure where exactly they're gonna land. Where are you going, guys? But like, I don't know, will they stay there? It's hard to know. It's hard to know. If I had a bit of water, I'd throw a bit of water. Maybe I'll just have a look around this house and see if there's a tap. Just splash them with a bit of water, kind of give them the impression that it's gonna rain, so they won't move on. If that makes sense. Jeez, I don't know if there's any tap around here. I've never been up here. I'm eaten by midges. I have to get my Kanye West mask out. Surely they have a tap. Surely to God. Jeez. It's a bit scary in here. God. Come on, do you have a fucking tap? No tap. Jesus, this place is a bit creepy. What the hell? Fucking water around here anywhere. Wait, I see a hose. I see a hose. Let's try to turn it on. Oh, come on, give me some water. No. I don't know. I'll have to go back to the house maybe. Spent my life chasing these. Hopefully they'll stay there. It's really not a great location, lads. You want to be fucking whipped out of it by the wind. Who the fuck decided to go there? Right, this is a bit of an awkward one. Where the fuck is Anton when you need him? Smoke just in case. Give him a bit of smoke first. Then I'm going to try and cut off the branch and carefully bring it with the bees down, shake it into the nuke, put the lid on the nuke for a minute, and then go up and get the other ball of bees, come down and do the same. And I don't know will this work, but I'll just have to fucking try it. That's it. So first I'm going to trim away what I don't need, and then cut off the ball. So I've got the bigger side off. You can see the smaller one there. So I got the bigger side and I just cut it and I put it in there. Now I'll just get the second one and put it in there. This is going very well. A bit too well. I was expecting more disaster. So I've got the second ball of bees. All the rest are in there. So I've got them and I'm going to put these guys in now. So now I'm just going to cut away a few of these branches around here. Mainly because the scent of the queen is going to be on everything. And that really attracts the bees. So I'll just cut them away to kind of hopefully, like, if they do come out, that they won't just come back here again, because I have to open the hive. I can't just lock them in, so hopefully they'll stay in here, there, and they won't come back up here. So this worked out pretty well. Pretty happy with this so far. See a big drone there. That big guy there, that's a drone. Drones can't sting you. The rest are all females. They can sting you. So they're all in there now. Success. I put the crown board on, which is actually just a piece of plastic, but all the bees are under there. And I put some extra frames in, so it's all good. Now let's just put that on. That's basically it. Close that. I would have never found these guys unless I just seen them. There's another ball starting up there. I'm gonna have to get that one down. See, it's in their head now, and they can smell pheromones from this area, so they came back up. But I'm guessing the queen is inside, hopefully. I'm just putting a load of smoke on the area they were on, just to mask the scent. Hopefully they'll just stop landing on the area, you know. Because what will happen is tonight, a big ball of bees here, and they'll probably just die. Oh, there's a bee inside here with me. But they're really calm. Right, I'm going to leave these guys now. Leave them till later on this evening, and hopefully they stay in there and they all go back in there. Hopefully they don't come out of there and go up there, because that would be a pain. Anyway, we'll see later on today. So it's nearly 8 o'clock and I'm coming back to this hive again, and it's all good, it's all quiet, they're all gone in. So now just close up this part. Oh wait, there's one coming out. Oh yeah. Oh, great. It's great when you don't lose one. Feel a bit bad. So they're locked in there now. And now we can just make sure that that's locked on both sides. Now we can move this hive to the next location. So now we have them here. This is like where we keep our spare hives back up for the bee beds. So put that there and let's get a pallet for it. But I can leave that alone now for a week or so, and when I need it then I can come and bring it and put it back in its place down back at the bee beds there. So that's job done.